today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need red beans, hot pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, tomatoes, tomato paste, cooking oil, you will need more than that, dry shrimp, cube if you eat cube, cloves, black pepper, and salt.